special day, I also would like to prepare something special for my family. And so for today, I am going to show you how I prepare my very own cheese board platter. So here are our ingredients for our cheese board platter. So in preparing for our cheese board platter, I will be using this one. So yung ibang ginagamit nila is the marble type. Pero for this one, I will be using the wooden platter. And of course, we also have this cheese knife. So iba't iba siya, depende sa klase ng cheese na hahatiin natin. And of course, what is a cheese board platter without cheese? We will be using different kinds of cheese. So first one will be the feta cheese. So itong feta cheese, this originates from Greece. And actually, makikita nyo siya, ginagamit siya sa mga Greek Mediterranean salad. And also, the texture of this feta cheese is soft and creamy. The second cheese that we will be using is the Gouda cheese. So this is our Gouda cheese for today. So the Gouda cheese naman is very famous in Netherlands. Okay, sinasabi nila that the more that it matures, the more the better it tastes. So usually, minamature siya from 2 months and then year. Okay, so next one is the famous queso di bola, or what we call as the Edam cheese. Edam cheese is semi-hard. So if you will notice, ito yung ating queso di bola. This Edam cheese also originates in Netherlands. Next one, we will also be using the mozzarella cheese. This originated from Italy, and as you know, ginagamit siya sa mga pizza and of course sa mga baked pasta. It has a semi-soft texture. We will also be using the cream cheese. Of course, etong cream cheese ay very soft in texture. And of course, yung ating blue cheese. Normally, it doesn't smell so good because of the molds, the cultured molds and bacteria that grows on the cheese. Our cheese is nice to be paired with our delicacies meat. So for today, we are going to use the pepperoni, the cooked ham, the bratwurst, and of course, our lioners. We also have crackers and chips, and of course, biscuits and sticks. And we are going to use also some fruits. We also have here green olives, jalapenos, and pickles. Meron din tayong mga nuts. We have here almonds, cashew, pumpkin seeds, and of course, we will be using the raisins. And for our dips, we actually have here at home the mango pineapple jam and strawberry jam, and of course our liver spread. Let's now start our fruit and cheese board platter.